Hello everyone, welcome back to AI for RW's YouTube channel. In our previous video, we covered the basic of Python syntax, include print statements, comments, and arithmetic operations. If you missed those, be sure to check them out. Today, we are going to dive into variables and data types in Python. But before we start, here's a quick challenge. Can you guess what happens when you mix strings and numbers in Python? Stay tuned to find out. Let's get started. In Python, variable is essentially a name that refers to a value. You can think of it as a container that holds data that can be used and modified in your code. Here are some rules for naming variable in Python. 1. Variable names must begin with a letter A to Z or an underscore. 2. After the first character, variable name can include letters, digits, or underscores. 3. Variable names are case sensitive. 4. Variable names cannot be Python reserved these keywords. Let's talk about the main basic data types in Python. There are integers, floating point numbers, strings, and booleans. First, we have integers. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative without decimals. Next is floating point numbers or floats, or numbers with a decimal point. Next is strings. Strings are sequences of characters. There are anchors in single or double quotes. Booleans represent one of two values, true or false. Next, let's see what happens when we try to mix data types. For example, adding a number and a string directly will cause an error. Let's see this in action. However, you can repeat a string using a multiplication sign. If you want to mix data types correctly, you often need to convert one type to another. Let's look at some examples of type conversion. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI for RW's YouTube channel.